Welcome back to another
My
Who did your hair?
mommy.
Yes. Watch out. Hey guys, welcome back to a video. It's me, NATALYA Spencer, and this is my friend
Janece.
What name? Janice or Janice?
I don't know, just have to make it sound fancy.
Alright guys, today I wasn't going to film, but Janice called me and said she wanted to do some makeup. She wanted to learn more, and I decided to film the process of us doing makeup together and me actually telling her what to do. Alright guys, so now we're going to conceal the brows, conceal our spots, and then move on to eyeshadow. Alright Janice, the first thing you're going to do is fill your brows. Janice have brows, I forgot about this. Here.
Me conceal before.
You conceal it before? Why?
Because then too much.
No, do your brows first. Hold this middle one for you and then into the rest. So hold your brows like this so you can create an arch, right? And do a straight line and then here up. That's a bit. And I am only going to do the bottom part. Alright guys, so now we are concealing and I'm watching Janice before I do mine. You need to go underneath your brow more. Oh, I have a mirror to the side here, guys.
Oh, you reach so far. No, man. Hold on. No, man. This is not fair.
Alright guys, so we're going to blend over our eyes on our lids, and then we're going to apply eyeshadow. And this is Janice's weak point, so she can do our foundation. She's learning, she's getting better at brows, and your weak area is the eyeshadow and eyeliner. So first I am going to let her apply her transition color. So this is it's like a what kind of foundation, what kind of eyeshadow you going for? Natural. Alright, so you're going to use like a natural tone, nothing too dark but lighter to what you're going to use in the crease. The crease is where you put the darker color. Yes, so that's up right above your crease. I hope you remember all of them something when you go to them. You put it too high, so you're going to want to focus like right here.
So you say like it's supposed to go over?
No, it just go above your crease a bit, but
So
you're doing it a bit too high. So basically here, so you don't want to go all the way up in your brow bone. apply it as a transition color so your makeup not look harsh, you know. So now we're going to focus on the crease. Now she's going to use a darker shade in the crease, more like a brown, because she's going for a natural look. And let me just line that out for you. So basically right here in the socket, and then you can just work it in. Take your time and just bring it to the outer V. So you're going to work it in to your outer V. Alright guys, so basically she is going from the outer corner and moving into the inner corner of her eye in the crease area, and then blend with the same brush that you use for the transition color. So now we're going to do her lids. So basically you're going to pick up the color that you want. That's the color that you want, and you're going to pat it on from the inner corner of your eyelid and then out to where the darker color is. You can feel me. Sorry, let me use this. What brush will use your watercolor? Think of this.
Also after you do that, you can go to that again.
Yeah, just a bit. Define it.
Okay. Alright guys, I do not use eyeshadow underneath my eyes, underneath my waterline. I just never liked the look. I've never done it myself. I do it for other persons, but it does complete your look. I just don't like it for myself. So that's what Janece is doing now. Girl, it's learning. Not good anymore.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna use it. Alright guys, so we're now going to move to the eyeliner. Do you want wings or normal eyeliner? Normal? So, I cannot help you with this process. You have ears, right? Alright, so what you're going to try to do is to put it as close to your eyelashes as possible to let it look natural. But what you're going to do is build it. So don't just draw one line. Take your time and draw it. So let me try and see if you can feel what I am doing.
God, what did I do?
What you do? Oh wait, you can use concealer. Where look a concealer brush there. Guys, if you make a mistake, you can use the eyeshadow and fix it, or get a Q-tip and do a one-time swab and then try to fill back the space. If you make a mistake on the outer corner of your eye, you can use concealer to fix that. We're going to move to foundation. So Janice, are you going to mix your foundation today or just use, okay, you're using the stick.
My dance make it hurt.
Alright guys, so we're going to do contouring now. I'm going to tell Janice what to do. So I normally mark from my ears down. So I put the brush here from my ears pointed down to my lips. But I do change my contour based on how I feel, because sometimes I want my cheeks to look full and sometimes I don't want it to look like that. So after a while you will know. Place this and then blend it after. Guys, now she's going to set the contour on her face. Use this shade. Yes. Mix the two of them. Lightly do it. Like. You want to do it lightly. So your face will look harsh.
These my dance make it hurt.
So now we're adding some translucent powder. For me, I just do this underneath my eyes and right here and around my lips. Alright guys, so we're going to leave this to set and do some highlight. Where's my highlighter brush? did this whole video without my lip but my lip but
Oh, we're supposed to brush this off now.
this is what I'm waiting on you for. Let's go. Is it mascara time? Alright guys, this step is optional, but I do put highlighter on my nose because I want my nose to always look slim and trim. My nose is small already, but we all have that one thing we wish we could perfect. Janece not adding any, no little,
Myself a 10.
Alright guys, comment down below how much you give Janece. So Janece have been watching videos at home and practicing, but she have to come to the real OG to learn. If you do that one more time, I'm gonna do back your makeup. Okay. Alright guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, as well as go ahead and subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. Alright,